Hi everyone, we're now in learning plan number 2 and you'll see that the title of this learning plan is #goals. This is where we're really going to be taking a look at ourselves in a little deeper way. We're going to look at how we learn best through multiple intelligences. We're going to look at our values. Values are things that are important to us. So when we start to explore career pathways, as I said before, our strengths and interests play a role, but also our values and what's important to us will play a role as well. We are going to conclude the unit with some goal setting and some action planning. If you're not sure what that is, that's no problem. That's what we're here for, and we're going to dive into that a little bit later in the unit. What we want to start with is the warm-up. The warm-up is something that is going to get us engaged in what's to come. So it's to get us thinking. It's to get our mind working. So what I would like you to do in this warm-up is you will see that there are 3 video links here. One is an Arnold Schwarzenegger video, one is a Denzel Washington video, and one is Admiral William H. McRaven video. I'm not going to tell you what they're about. You're going to have to explore that on your own. I will also put this on Google Classroom so you have easy access to those videos as well. But you are only going to select one to watch. And then there is going to be a post on Google Classroom. There's going to be a question that I would like you to respond to. I am not looking for a lengthy response. I'm looking for around a paragraph that is well thought out, well developed, thoughtful and mindful. And really the prompt is, how does this video resonate with you? What stands out to you? What is important, and how can you connect it to your own life? So that is the warm-up, and that should really not take a long time. Some of the videos are a little bit longer than the others, but they're right around 10, maybe 12 minutes to watch, and then the paragraph to respond to the question. Again, all of this will be located on Google Classroom. And if you have any questions regarding it, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.